Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Julie and this is Milkweed Farms, and I just got off of a long day at work today. It is 2 days before Thanksgiving. I've got a whole lot of cooking and baking to do, but it's dinner time and we're hungry, and I didn't want to eat fast food. I wanted to cook something that was fairly nutritious, but I don't have a lot of time to spend on it. So I want to show you one of my go-tos today. I have a bunch of vegetables cut up here. What I picked, and you pick what you like, but I picked, well, one what I had, because my husband harvested sweet potatoes. Then I had these beautiful purple ones. Aren't they gorgeous? So I have a purple sweet potato. I have Brussels sprouts. I have cut those in half. I'm actually going to pull the camera in, but I've cut those in half if they're small and in quarters if they're big. I want everything to kind of be uniform in size, because I'm going to put all this in the oven and bake it together on a sheet on 450 until it gets to kind of how I like the looks of it. I've got onion and I've got regular potatoes here. And what I'm getting ready to do right now, I have, and you can get whatever kind of sausage you want, like a Polish sausage if you'd rather. I actually have an organic chicken, Cajun style andouille sausage, and I'm going to cut that up into little bite-sized pieces, and we're going to put this all on this baking sheet. So it's a one-sheet thing, makes dinner super simple, tasty, healthy, and doesn't take a lot of time. So we're going to cut these up in bite-sized pieces. And then I'm going to show you, we're just going to put all of this on the tray and bake it. Now I have parchment paper on mine because it's aluminum and I really don't like to bake. I want to get a stoneware big baking sheet, but I don't have one yet, so I just put parchment paper on it. Alright, I have my sausage all cut up. Now I'm going to move my camera a little bit. Okay, so we're going to mix all of this on the baking sheet. And keep my parchment paper in place. Look at these purple sweet potatoes. Oops, I dropped one. I love them. It's kind of a jumpy sweet potato. This is so easy for a healthy dinner on a night that you just don't really have time to cook. And you, like I said, you can change around what vegetables you have on here. You can put zucchini, you can put cabbage. You could put small ears of corn if you wanted to. That'd be beautiful. And then we're going to mix our sausage all in there. And I actually have enough. I probably should have had 2 trays because we don't want this to steam. We want it to get crispy and done. So I have my oven, like I said, on 450. Now I'm going to put a little olive oil all over this, drizzle it around. You want to do that. And I'm going to put some cracked pepper. Around on it, because I am a pepper eater. Now you could put, if you have time and all, you could put like rosemary, thyme fresh if you have it, and I do have it out there, but I just haven't had time to go out and get it. I just got home. Yeah, I'm in retail, and this is Christmas, so you can imagine the Christmas season. We're getting ready for Black Friday. There has been not much time. Okay, so I've got some nice salt on there. And I'm going to add just some garlic granules. Just a little bit. beef up the flavor a little, but okay. Look how beautiful this is. All right, it's gonna go in the oven on 450, and I'm not sure how long yet I want to do this because each one's different, because it just kind of depends on what you've got on there and how brown you want it. I'm gonna guess about 30 minutes, 40 maybe, but we're gonna watch it so that it doesn't get too done. All right, we'll be back when it's ready to come out. All right, the vegetables and the meat, they're about ready to come out of the oven, but well, right before we take that out, I want to tell you that I made a nice honey mustard dipping sauce for that. To make this, I used 2 tablespoons of mustard. I used a half a cup of mayo, about a half a tablespoon of lemon juice, and the mustard, I said the 2 tablespoons was prepared mustard, and then I also used a tablespoon of Dijon mustard in that, and 2 tablespoons of honey. It's a nice honey mustard, and then just mix that all together really good, and that makes a really nice dipping sauce for those vegetables. So let's take it out and see what we have now. And there's dinner, that easy. So anyway, on some busy night, if you just have your whatever sausage you want in the fridge, and then, I don't know, this probably took me a total of 10 minutes to cut up these vegetables, and like I said, switch them out and pick whatever vegetables you like. Carrots would be great in this also. So anyway, thanks for joining me in the kitchen. I'm gonna go eat dinner. Like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Thanks for joining me.